Hello level 1, this is your mathematics unit and it is Miss Ashma here. Level 1, as you all know, we have started our new chapter of second quarterly test. Okay. So today we are going to continue our chapter, that is addition and subtraction within 20. So take out your mathematics targeting book, this one, and open page number 101. Okay, level 1, after opening a page, first of all write today's date, that is 26/1/21. Okay, level 1, in the previous unit we already practiced and learned how to make addition equation like this. Now today the activity is to add the objects but in the form of word problem, and they are going to explain us that there are more than the two numbers that we have to add and got the same answer. Okay, for example, add by making 10. Janissa has 7 oranges. She buys 5 more oranges. How many oranges does she have now? Janissa is the name of the girl. She has already 7 oranges like this. She buys 5 more oranges like this. As we all know, how many oranges does she have now? As we all know, level 1, how to get the answer, we have to add these two we have to add these two numbers and get the answer. But they are explaining us that when we add different number we get the same answer. How? Like this. Let's make a group of 10 orange from the bucket of whole orange 7 and 5. They are saying make a group of 10 orange. We know that 7 and 3 make 10. For example, these are 7 orange. How many orange we have to add to make it 10 orange? 7, these are 7, 8, 9, 10. When we add these 3 oranges in the 7 oranges, these are 10 oranges altogether. For example, these are 10 oranges altogether. How many oranges are left? 2 oranges are left. Okay, when we add 10 plus 2, we get the same answer, 12. Like 7 plus 5. This is the conclusion of this exercise. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 7 plus 5 is the same as 10 plus 2. As I already told you, when we add 7 orange into 5 orange, when we add 7 and 5 all together, we get the same answer. And when we add 10 and 2, we got the same answer. So she has 12 orange now. Janissa has 12 orange now. This is the whole conclusion, level 1. I hope you understand it. Now level 1, open your mathematics workbook, this one, page number 58, 58. First of all write today's date, that is 26/1/21. Now circle a group of 10 and add, fill in the boxes. In the A part, similarly, what we have to do, they are showing that there are couple of numbers that we add, different numbers that we add, and we get the same answer. For example, the question is circle a group of 10 and add, fill in the boxes. There are, in the A part, there are erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 erasers, and 1, 2, 3, 4. In the left side we have 8 erasers, and in the right side we have 4 erasers. 8 is already written. When we write the right side erasers, that are 4. Okay, 8 plus 4. When we add 8 and 4, what is the answer? When we add 8 and 4, the answer is same, that is 12. Okay, and as they said, circle a group of 10. When we circle the group of 10, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. For example, this is a rectangle, not a circle, I know that. Now when we circle, for example, this is a circle, so when we circle 10 razors, how many razors are left? 2 razors are left. 10 is written here, 2 is written here. When we add 10 and 2, 10 and 2 make 12. Same answer, 8 and 4 make 12, 10 and 2 make 12. So what they are explaining us, they are telling us that there are different couples of number that we add and we get the same answer, like this. Similarly, in the B part, there are strawberries. Now, how many strawberries in the left part? There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 strawberries as already written. In the right part, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are 8 strawberries. Now, when we add 7 and 8, we get the answer, that is 15. Now they are saying circle a group of 10. Now again we have to make a circle of 10 strawberries. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How to make a circle? Because we add it like this. Okay, this is there. These are 10 strawberries. How many strawberries are left? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 strawberries are left. 10 and 5 is already written. When we add 10 and 5, we get the answer, that is 10 and 5 make 15. 7 and 8 also make 15. Understand that? Level 1. Now in the C part, these are your favorite thing, chocolates are there. What you have to do there, how many chocolates in the left side? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 chocolates are in the left side as already written. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 chocolates are in our right side. 9 and 9. When we add 9 and 9, it makes 18. Okay. Now the left solution, what you have to do, you have to do it by your good self. How to do it? First of all, you have to circle 10 chocolates. Count it and circle it. 10 is already written, it means the chocolates that are in the circle is already written. What you have to do, in this box you have to write those numbers of chocolate that are out of the circle. Write here. Then add these two numbers and get your answer, and tell your answer if it is same 18 or not. This is the homework for you, level 1. I hope you understand it, and thank you for watching my video.